students. How are you today all? I hope you all are safe and healthy by our God's grace. Dear students, we have completed first midterm examination, isn't it? Yes, today we are going to see the continuation of your chapter 2. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, your second chapter name is Introduction to Algebra. Very simple and easy to write. How will you do this? Converting algebraic statement to verbal statement. Okay, see here m plus 14. Okay, so see the verbal statement m plus 14. How will you write this? Plus, if you come plus, you need to write more than. Okay, 14 more than m. Okay, so see the next one, x minus 6. How will you write this? X is reduced by 6. Okay, so if you come minus subtraction sign, you take reduced, decrease and subtracted if anything. Okay, you will take. So next 3y or 3 into y. So comes the multiplication. So how will you write? Product of 3 and y. Okay, next one 5 divide z or 5 by z. How will you write? 5 divided by z. Next one 2p minus 5. 2 into p. Okay, so 2 into p. How will you see? 2 into p. So that is 2 less 2, 2 times p. Okay, in multiplication you can write 2 times. Okay, number of times you can write p. Okay, 5 less 2, 2p. Okay, can you understand this? Yes. Now we are going to see. Okay, so we have already seen exercise 2.1, fill in the blanks, true or false, and then question answers 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have completed. Now we are going to see exercise 2.1 from 6th sum. Okay, let's see this. Okay, see the 6th question. Express the following verbal statement to algebraic statement. Okay, see the solution. T is added to 100. T is added to 100. Added. So you take plus sign. Okay, added to 100. How will you write T plus 100? Can you understand this? Yes. Go to next one. 4 times Q. Okay, times. The word is coming times. You take multiplication. That is 4 into Q or 4Q. Okay, next one. 4 less to 9 times Y. Okay, 4 less. Less means is a subtraction. And then 9 times y, that is 9y. Okay, so see here 9y minus 4. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, go to the next question, 7th question. Express the following algebraic statement to verbal statement. Okay, algebraic statement to verbal statement. See here, see the solution. X divided by 3. So that is x divided by 3. Next one. 11 plus 10x. Okay, 11 added to 10 times x. See here, 11 added to 10 times x. Next one, third one, 70s. That is 70 multiple with s. That is product of 70 and s. Okay, can you understand these questions? Yes. Go to the question number 8. See the question from your book. The teacher asked 2 students to write the algebraic statement for the verbal statement. Okay, 8 more than a number. 8 more than a number. Vetri wrote 8 plus x. Okay, more than comes, you take addition. 8 plus x. But Moran writes 8 into x. Okay, so who gave the correct answer? Okay, can you tell me what is the correct answer? Who is write the answer? Vetri. I think Vetri, because 8 more than a number. More than means you take addition. 8 plus x is the correct answer. Okay, how will you write this? See here, let the number be x. Okay, we don't know what is the number. So you take x. Next, 8 more than the number equal to 8 plus x. Okay, Vetri gave the correct answer, so it is the answer for 8 plus x. Okay, go to question number 9. Answer the following questions. If g is equal to 300, what is the value of g minus 1 and g plus 1? Okay, So given number is g is 300, g minus 1, that is 300 minus 1, you get the answer is 299. G plus 1, what is the answer? 300 plus 1, we get 301. Okay, go to second one. What is the value of s if 2s minus 6 gives 30? Gives means giving the answer, so you write this number in the opposite side, okay, equal to 30. So 2s minus 6 equal to 30. We need the value of s, so we take 2s as the same side. The minus 6 will go to the opposite side. The minus 6 change into plus 6. Okay, so 2s equal to 36. Okay, 30 plus 6, 36. Yes, we need only s. So the 2 comes, it is placing here in multiplication. 2 into s equal to 36. Therefore yes, we need s. The 2 will go to be the opposite side. The multiplication change into division. So 36 divided by 2. Finally we get the answer. Divide the number. 1 2 is 2. See the number 1 2 is 2. Balance 1. 8 2s are 16. Okay, so therefore s equal to 18. Can you understand this? Okay, now go to the question number 10. Complete the table and find the value of k for which k by 3 gives 5. Okay, k by 3 gives 5. Okay, so how will you write this? K by 3 gives 5. Okay, so we need the value of k. How will you write? 5 into 3. Okay, the division, the number, okay, here having in the denominator, the number go to be the opposite side, it will be changed into multiplication. 5 3s are 15. So therefore k value is 15. Okay, so see the numbers are given. K value is 3. So k by 3, you get the answer is 3 by 3, we get 1. Okay, 6 by 3, we get the answer is 2. Okay, so next one 9 by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Next 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. Okay, can you understand this question? Okay, you can write the answer in your book itself. Okay, go to the next adjective type questions. Variable means that it can take different values. Okay, variable. So variable, what are the variables? I told you a, b, c, etc. x, y, z up to x, y, z. Okay, so this is called the variables. Okay, go to the next one, 12th one. The number of days in w weeks is, okay, w weeks, number of days. Okay, so here you see the answer 7 into w. Okay, for 1 week have 7 days, so 7 into w. Go to next, the value of x in the circle is, okay, see the circle, value of x. Okay, see 2 4 7 11 16. 2 plus 2 we get the next number 4. 4 plus 3 we get the next number 7. 7 plus 4 we get the number 11. 11 plus 5 we get the number 16. 16 plus 6 you get the answer is 22. Therefore the answer is 22. Go to next, the value of y in y plus 7 equal to 13. Okay, what is the answer? Y equal to, the plus 7 will go to the opposite side, change into minus 7. So therefore the answer is 13 minus 7, we get the answer is 6. Therefore y equal to 6. 6 less to n gives 8 is represented as 6 less to n. Okay, that is n minus 6 equal to 8. Okay, the condition is n minus 6 equal to 8. Okay, so dear students, today class is over. You need to write all the questions in your classwork note. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day.